How to remove payment card on Shoppers Drug Mart. Well, if you're on your PC, then what you want to do is, first of all you need to head over to any of the web browser that you want to. Let me move into Google Chrome. Once you are in here, in the search bar, simply search for Shoppers Drug Mart. And then head over to the very first site. It will land you on this page where you'll be able to log into your specific account. Simply enter your username and the password associated with your account and then click on Login. Once you click on Login, you will be logged into your account and then move into Profile at the top right corner. After that, head over to the Settings and then move into Payment Method. In the section of Payment Method, you will get to see all the list of the card that you have added in Shoppers Drug Mart. Simply click on the card that you want to remove. Once you click on it, your card detail information will be visible. And at the bottom, the option of Delete will also be available to you. Click on it. Then once again click on Delete. After that, your payment card will be removed successfully. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove payment card on Shoppers Drug Mart. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.